Assalamu everyone, welcome to Mama Loop channel. We are making bread chaffles. It has a bread-like texture which you can eat with your favorite toppings or curries. For this we need, in a bowl, add half cup flaxseeds golden browned and half cup blanched almond flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon yeast. Yeast is optional. Half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 9 large eggs. Blend all the ingredients together. After mixing, cover and keep aside for 30 minutes. Preheat waffle maker. Spray waffle maker with avocado oil. Spread 1/4 cup of the mixture onto the waffle maker. Close and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until light golden brown. Use a fork to remove the chaffle. You can store in an airtight container in the fridge for a week. Cool on a plate. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.